Who
Uh,
is next? From the office team, who is next? Should I call the name? I think this Vaibhav Khanna.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible?
This is- Yeah,
yes,
Vaibhav sir, you are audible.
Yes, Vaibhav ji,
Okay.
you can start.
First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am CA Vaibhav Khanna from Amritsar. I studied in batch 144 of AI and ICAI classes in the month of February. And I would like to uh, present my thanks and to the leadership, to the teachers and the mentors who have guided us and opened the doors of this AI. Before that, I had got no idea of what is AI and how to use it in our office. But after that, I have been slowly and partially using it in my office space. So with this, I would like to begin my use case, which is a office automation hub, in which one part is a bank statement analyzer. In that bank statement analyzer, I am trying to use it for assisting me in analyzing the bank statements for the purpose of filing the ITR in addition to AIS and TIS and 26AS. I had used it extensively in the past ITR filing season. And second use case which we have been working on that is we are analyzing the bank statements to of the auditing clients for finding out the petty personal expenses from the company accounts. And third, which has been presented to me by my client only, he said, okay, you give me this analyze, I will send you the bank statement and you give me this analyzed statement so that I don't have to sit with my accountant and solve his suspense entries for him. I will use that time somewhere else. With this, I will like to begin my use case. Uh, entire screen. Is my screen visible?
yes, Vaibhavji.
Okay. So this is my bank statement analyzer in which I will feed in the number, in which I will feed in the details of the client. I have pre-fed it to save the time in a specific format only. Like my tool reads only these three columns of the bank statement and judges it based on this rule book, which I have kept in an Excel, and I keep on updating it from time to time. Like this is a permanent rule book which has got 266 sub rules, and this is a client specific rule book in which I have to sort out the family transactions from the bank statement. And this is the permanent rule book is like income tax refund or payment to me for that matter, stuff like that. So what this tool will do is this tool will analyze this statement based on these rules. And for now, I am not clicking on this analyze the suspense entries with Gemini. I am only clicking on the self improviser mode because this I have developed to for the tool to analyze the statement for some repetitive transactions, for example, payment to Netflix and all that, which are which skip our mind. So I will run this tool. It has got this statement, which is a 602 line item statement, 609 line item statement. And it has already provided the analysis of those line items and given a clean dashboard for it, where even while discussing with the client, I can clearly say, okay, you have uh, deposited 15 lakhs into the bank and further invested 15 lakhs somewhere else, discuss about the personal transactions or the suspense transactions. I will then download it, the bank statement, the self improviser mode, and package it as a PDF to be presented to my client. A second, please. And now this tool was developed using Gemini. Now I'm trying to analyze the suspense entries with the help of Gemini. what it will do is it will query the Gemini API for each and every suspense entry within the suspense sheet. I have predefined a prompt which it will send to Gemini containing the transaction remarks and whether it was a withdrawal or a deposit into the bank account, not giving any amount, just the transaction remarks. So it will begin the processing. What I came to know is it takes about 1 second per query to analyze in a free model. So that is the restriction that it has. For brevity of time, I have already pre-extracted the result. Now this is the analyzed bank statement, which has got a clean dashboard and all the line items have been analyzed according to the rules. So now you are able to see the suspense entries over here, which are based on the rules. And all the entries have been analyzed, categorized, and tax summary has been generated, which I can use, other sources income. Sida for I will say 43,794 as a income without further deliberation on it. Now the first sheet that got generated was till here, till column H, where it was generating these entries as a suspense item. And you can see they were somewhere around 250 line items. So what I can convey to you is out of the 600 line items, it has analyzed 350 based on the rules and kept 250 out of it. Now, the Gemini analyzer, which I have showed you earlier, analyzes these suspense items and clearly marks each and every item in a very justified narration. So, and it also justifies the narration why it has marked it as a transfer between own accounts and categorizes them. So that is about my presentation.
Rohitji, you can ask first.
Okay. And the thing is, thank you so much, Weber, for the presentation. So, which language you use in backend is Python?
Yeah, I used Python.
Okay. Can you show me the code?
Wait a second, please. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is, by the way, the coding, the lines which is it is querying the Gemini one query per minute or per second. Sorry, and this is the Python code which was analyzing based on the rules. And
Just show me that you generated in the final part.
pardon, sorry.
You have showed me that final report now in Excel format.
Okay. Yeah.
Show me again. And there is the expense summary in this somewhere. This expense summary.
Yeah,
In this
this-
part, in the travel part, this total withdrawal and total deposit both are there. Why so?
See, suppose you book a ticket from Make My Trip and thereafter cancel it. So it is just judging based on the bank statement. It is not judging any accounts for that matter.
So, for example, you are saying that it is a deposit of around 5 lakh rupees,
So
and
probably
5
it
lakh
is
60,000 rupees your expenditures, and 5 lakh rupees on travel expense only.
yeah, it was basically probably the person might have cancelled the ticket and rebooked it. So that is
How much
why,
time?
yeah.
5 lakh and 568, 68,000 only expenditure.
See, this is
5 lakh rupees
this is
rebook.
See, this is a data which the client has provided, and all the entries are based
Is it a
on.
travel agent? This guy
No,
is
no, no,
travel
no.
agent.
It is not a
No.
travel agent. The person is a makeup artist who is traveling a lot for the her
But
job.
68,000 is expensing, and every time is cancelling the ticket and getting around and around refund and refund. Yes.
Yeah, I don't
Might
find
be
it
it's
any.
possible.
Yeah,
It's
might be
possible.
possible.
Yes,
Vaibhavji,
yes,
can you
yes.
just prove it by
So actually, we are chart
proving
accountant, na, sir. So
literally
we
that
go
per-
with the abnormal first, na. This is the problem with us. So I
No,
cannot
no, no.
eliminate this part in my life because it's intricated in me. So
No,
this is
no. It's
thank you so much. So this exe file is running, I think, in the Python
no, no,
code.
no. The Python script is
And
running, still running, and analyzing the
and
code.
one more thing I want to ask you. You are saying that there's a API also. So you are calling API every time for analyzing?
No, 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 no. See, API is only called for analyzing those suspense line items, this sheet basically.
Okay. And every time when you are calling that suspense item, you have to click on that, and it's a API call is there, right?
Yes, the API call is
Okay.
there in this part of the Python code where I have given the player prompt to it. Okay, you have to categorize it
Can you just
according to
zoom it
use
this
cases.
prompt? Can you just zoom it this prompt?
Okay, zoom,
Is it possible for you to zoom this?
sir. I'm a bit
Okay, give me
short
a
on.
second. Just I will just check it out. Okay, got it. Thank you. Done. With Jason also involved into this.
Yes, yes. तभी
Okay.
तो सर बाद में आके
क्योंकि
एक्सेल में
फ्रंट एंड
डाल.
बना है, बैक एंड बना है, डेटाबेस बनाएंगे तो तीनों चाहिए होगा ना, अभी ऐसे कैसे अकेले
Yes,
पाइथन
sir.
से कैसे करेंगे? ओके सर, आई गॉट माय आंसर्स. यस सर, शुभम, ओवर टू यू.
Nice presentation, Vaibhav ji. By the way, how much time does it take to develop this tool? Is there anyone in your team or what?
No, sir. I am the one doing it.
And how much time does it take?
Sir, I would like to show you my screen. Sir, honestly, personally, it took less time to develop the code, but more time to improvise on it.
Okay.
Sir, like this, how to wait a second. Let me just minimize the window. Shit. Okay, so this is where I was trying to. I came to know about the shortcoming of the API call, that eventually in a free model I can't do it on 10,000 screens. Oh,
Yes, there
10,000
is a
items.
token is there, no? Yes.
Yes. So Gemini only told me switch to Olama for that. So I'm trying to build the Olama Python script for that. It is still under work in progress.
But
And this is the
it is not easy to get Olama in your system because it is very heavy. How you manage that without GPU? You
sir,
know how
GPT
much
OS
data set
20B.
Gemini required for running on Olama? How much
Sir,
database you have? You know?
so that is why the first preference was towards the Gemini, and thereafter,
Correct.
when I came to know about the costing part of it, thereafter
Ah,
I'm
so the
trying
thing
to
is, I just
compensate.
define your answer. The thing is, Olama is actually is a tool where you can call any of the LLM model offline. But when you go with the LLM model offline, there is a problem with the data set. The data set is, for example, I'm talking about DeepSeek. A DeepSeek 7B model comes with only 3 GB and it cannot run in your CPU. You have to run GPU. But R1 model is 456 GB database. So if your 456 GB database, you come, but you know, onboarded in your system. So your system in on ventilator. Okay. So you have to use the
And
GPUs.
I'm using Sir GPT OSS 20B. I'm trying to use it,
Okay. Then this
not
is good. This is
successful at
good.
it.
Good. So you have a good efficient machine.
No, sir, it is good
Vaibhav ji,
machine.
can you just prove that thing that travel expense 5 lakhs versus 5 lakh 60,000 by just putting the filter in the original raw file? You said you uploaded the Excel file in the.
Shivam, you are
हाँ जी,
going
हाँ
into
जी,
audit
एक
here.
मिनट जी.
Hello?
You are going into audit now.
No, actually, I just wanted to check the accuracy.
सर एक मिनट सर. सर अब जैसे हाउ टू.
Just write travel only. Just write travel. It will automatically manage. In
लेट
description,
मी.
write travel.
सर एक मिनट जी. ट्रेवल से नहीं आएगा ना सर, मेक माई ट्रिप से आएगा या आईबीबो से आएगा,
Okay.
वट एवर द पोर्टल शी
Okay.
इज
Whatever
यूजिंग आई
group heading you created, now
Okay.
just put there.
हैव. एक मिनट सर.
Because you mark something, na, there is a chart also there. Na? You created that first time.
Of course,
Out
I'm
of
coming
this,
to
it is
that.
getting. Yes.
So this was my permanent rule book, which I have type of developed. If you say, if the transaction contains anywhere a word called make my trip, or these kind of travels, hotels, tickets, it will eventually mark it as a travel case scenario.
Forex also into travels.
Yes. Sir, I am talking about those items which are going for 4S ITR.
Correct.
Got it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, I got my answer.
Okay, sir.